Hey everyone, it's Len from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be showing you something. We're going to be checking the washer fluid on this 2010 Nissan Altima. It's going to be a very simple job. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here, and you're going to look for something. Looks something like this. Got a little plastic cap. Looks like it's a windshield. Water spraying up on it. You're just going to lift up on this, making sure that you're wearing safety glasses in case anything pops up. We're going to look down in there. You can see that the fluid's low. So what we can do is we can top it off. Depends on what type of fluid you want to use. It's all preference, but make sure that you're using washer fluid. Now we're going to carefully try to pour it straight in here. If you happen to spill a little bit, it's okay. This isn't going to harm anything. Of course you don't want to just pour it all over the ground. It is technically a chemical. So we'll just go ahead and pour it in. Sounds like it's getting full. You don't need to go too much higher than that. I mean, really. Now we're going to take the cap. We're going to put it back on.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.